Really loved it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think, Ty? Would you love it too?
No, I don't even know how to read.
Okay, well, what's this thing right here? Is this a book?
It's just an act. I knew the camera was coming out. I want to look smart.
Oh, okay. I got it. And what are you doing over here, Susan?
Watching about Chris Dodd, who's only like 2 years older than I am and looks like he's 80, has prostate cancer.
It's not a nice experience.
He might be 4 years older than I am.
And what do you say? Happy? Happy girl? What's going on? Here.
Are you cocking your head?
Yeah, look at you. Hello there. Good girl. Good girl. Go into the kitchen and see what Mary's doing. What are you doing, Mary?
I'm cooking.
Oh, let's see what she's cooking. Butter. She's cooking butter. That sounds tasty. Oh, I see. The butter's going in the pan, and then the shrimps are going in the butter. Yum, yum, yum.